Hi everyone! If you're having audio connectivity issues with your soundbar, we are here to help. Follow these quick and easy steps to troubleshoot what may be going on with your soundbar and subwoofer. First, let's check to make sure your soundbar is properly plugged into your TV. Make sure the high-speed HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI out port on the soundbar. And the other end is plugged into the eARC/ARC port of the TV. And just as a reminder, your TV should be on. If you are still experiencing issues, you can run an AC power cycle for your soundbar and subwoofer. Simply unplug the power cables to both your soundbar and sub for 1 minute, then plug them back in. Once plugged back in, turn on the system like you normally would and play a TV show, movie, or song to ensure the audio is coming through correctly. If you're having trouble with your subwoofer disconnecting or having some distortion, you may want to test your subwoofer connection. You can test this by pressing Home on your remote. Selecting Setup in the top right corner of the home screen, System Settings, and then Wireless Subwoofer Connection. Here, you can customize your subwoofer transmission settings. Audio interference ranges from home to home, so you may need to do a little trial and error to see what settings work best for you. Under RF band, you can choose from 3 frequency band options. Under RF channel, you can select from 3 different channels. So if you are finding your subwoofers having connectivity issues, here you can run through 6 different options to see what works best for your subwoofer. You can also test your subwoofer's connection with the Secure Link option. First, press the little Secure Link button on the back of the subwoofer. It is the smaller button. The subwoofer light should blink orange. Select Start once the button flashes. Secure Link will then run a connectivity test between the subwoofer and the soundbar. After 10 to 15 seconds, the test will be complete and should resolve any audio drop-off issues. We hope these steps have helped resolve any audio issues you may have been having with your soundbar and subwoofer, so you can enjoy this immersive sound experience. If you're still having issues, please visit sony.com/support for additional help.